Hi guys, my name is Apalana Gupta and in today's video, I'm going to show you a few makeup mistakes that you are probably making, which is adding age to your face. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on.
One of the most common mistakes that adds age to your face is wearing heavy makeup when it's not needed. When it comes to makeup, remember, less is more. Let's start with the base. On one side, I will be using foundation, while on the other, I will be using a BB cream. When it comes to the concealer, on the left side, I'm applying it using the inverted triangle technique, which to be honest is very dated. On the right side, I'm just using the concealer on the high points of my face to highlight it. When it comes to blending, I'm using a makeup brush on the left side and a beauty blender on the right. Now on the left side, I'm using a beauty blender to dab on some setting powder to set the base. On right, I'm doing the same with a brush. While using a brush, I always ensure that I tap it once to get rid of the extra product. Now for the contour. On the left side, I'm doing a circular motion that is adding more age to my face. For a more uplifted and fresh look, on the right side, I'm going to sweep the product in an upward motion towards the temple of my face. When it comes to blush, we tend to apply a lot of it, like I did on the left side. But the right way is to just gently dab the product on the face like this for a more uplifted look. I'm just adding mascara and gloss to both the sides and you can clearly see the difference. So next time, make sure you avoid these mistakes.
So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about these tips in the comment section below. Also let us know what other videos you would like us to do. And for more such tutorials, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to MyGlamm.